If you've been searching for a way to lose belly fat in just 2 weeks, you've probably seen hundreds of promises, hacks, and shortcuts. But what's real and what's just hype? In today's video, we're diving into the science, busting the myths, and giving you a realistic, step-by-step approach to kickstart your fat loss journey. So if you're serious about trimming your waistline and boosting your health, stick around because you're going to want to hear this. The truth about belly fat. Let's start with a hard truth. You can't spot reduce belly fat. Your body decides where it loses fat first. That said, belly fat, especially visceral fat, is often the first to go when you improve your overall lifestyle. And that's good news, because belly fat is also linked to serious health risks like heart disease and insulin resistance. The good news? With the right habits, you can absolutely make noticeable progress in 2 weeks. Think of this as the beginning of long-term transformation, not just a crash course. Real results start with real expectations, and small wins build momentum. Diet comes first. The biggest factor in fat loss is your nutrition. Here's what to focus on. Create a calorie deficit. You don't have to starve yourself, just aim to eat fewer calories than you burn. Cut back on sugar and processed carbs. These spike insulin, leading to more belly fat storage. Increase protein intake. It keeps you full and helps preserve muscle while losing fat. Stay hydrated. Sometimes what feels like hunger is really just thirst. Want a quick hack? Try this. Fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and the rest with whole grains or healthy fats. What you eat matters more than how much you exercise, especially in the beginning. Clean eating doesn't have to be complicated, just consistent exercise that works. To maximize results in 2 weeks, combine cardio with strength training. Here's a simple weekly structure. 3x per week, HIIT workouts to boost metabolism. 2x per week, strength training to build lean muscle, which burns more fat at rest. Daily, walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps. Walking is underrated, it burns fat and reduces cortisol. Even 20-minute workouts, done consistently, can help torch fat and improve your waistline. Consistency beats intensity, showing up every day matters. Don't worry about perfection, just focus on progress. Lifestyle and recovery. Now let's talk about the secret sauce: lifestyle habits. Sleep, aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Lack of sleep equals more hunger and belly fat. Stress, high cortisol increases abdominal fat. Practice breath work, journaling, or even 10-minute meditations. Avoid alcohol, especially in this 2-week period. It's full of empty calories and slows metabolism. These might seem small, but they're the hidden triggers that can make or break your progress. Your body can't burn fat efficiently if it's constantly stressed or sleep deprived. Treat recovery like training, it's that important. Can you really see results in 2 weeks? So, is it possible to lose belly fat in 2 weeks? Here's the truth. You can't lose all your belly fat in 14 days. But you can absolutely reduce bloating, shed 3 to 5 pounds of fat, and visibly slim down your waistline with the right habits. If you stay consistent with your diet, workouts, and recovery, the difference can be dramatic, not just on the scale, but in how you feel and look in the mirror. Don't underestimate the power of momentum, it fuels long-term change. What you do in the next 2 weeks can set the tone for the next 2 months. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps the channel grow. And if you're ready for more no BS weight loss tips and workouts, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Got questions or want a video on something specific? Drop it in the comments, I respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching and being part of this health-focused community.